Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, where we introduce to you HTML in the most optimal way possible. Before we get started, there will be a link down in the description below for you to check out. If you're a beginner in HTML or you have no clue what it is, I do recommend that you check out that link in the description below. Otherwise, if you're all good, we'll go ahead and get you prepared with a text editor and a web browser. And don't forget, have both of those applications open to the file we'll be working on. And we'll have you copy this code here onto your text editor. So if you need to pause the video, you go ahead and do so. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and learn about the input tag with the type of color. All right, and save, and then we'll refresh the browser. And to refresh the browser, there will be a refresh button somewhere on the top of your window, or you can use the shortcut key to refresh your window. Now what we see here is a button that has a black box, as it seems. So when we click it, you'll notice a pop-up of sorts. And what this does, what this basically is a way for you to pick a color. So yours might not look the same. It depends on your browser. So let's say we pick red and we select it. And you'll notice that our button with that black box we had earlier turns into a button with a red box in it. So again, this is just to select color, just like so. And so you might be wondering, okay, what is this for exactly? So again, this is to purely just to pick color. However that information is handled will depend on the programming that interacts this color picker. So that may include the JavaScript code that you might have tied around here, or any server code that you might have tied to this particular color picker. So let me give you an example of what can be done. So let's say I make a p tag. Okay, p tag just like so. All right, and we'll just say text color. All right, we'll save and we'll refresh, and then we'll see that the text of text color on the browser. All right, so we're gonna start typing up some JavaScript. So we'll put in the script tag here. Now, do not worry if you have no clue how to write JavaScript, or you don't know what it is. Again, I will just use some JavaScript code to demonstrate what would be a typical use for this color picker input we have here. So just give me a few moments and I will demonstrate that this color picker can change the color of this text. Okay, so we'll go ahead and document dot query selector, and that will be getting the input, and then we want to go on input, and then we will equal to an arrow function. There we go. And then we'll get the document.query selector, and that will be the p tag, and then we'll get the style.color, and we'll equate it to essentially what we have here, input, and then we'll put the word value here. All right, and then we'll save, and then we'll change the color, and you'll notice the color changes just like so. Just like so. All right. And this is one example of how the color picker would be used. All right, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, please color that thumbs up button. If you didn't quite like this video, you can color that thumbs down button. And if you have some colorful comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And if you think I've earned it, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. to stay up to date on all my videos. That's it for now. I thank you for watching. See you guys next time.